Avast has recently announced the release of their latest version, 19.5, and I'll be doing a custom install of the free version of Avast version 19.5. Let's go through the procedure. Avast recommends that you run the installer with administrative rights, so we'll do a right click on the installer and say run as administrator. You'll have to give that permission to do so. Once you've given the permission, Avast will now start the installation. As I said, I'll be doing a custom install. So not the big button that says install, but the little one underneath that says customize. By default, Avast has the recommended protection, which means everything is checked. They also offer a minimal protection, which only installs File Shield, Behavior Shield, and the Web Shield. They also offer a custom protection, and that's what I'll be doing. Custom means everything's checked and you get to uncheck what you do not want to install. For me, the items that will not be installed are Safe Price browser extension. I don't use it. If you do a lot of shopping and you want Avast to recommend some lower prices, by all means install it. Cleanup, another paid product. So I'll be unchecking that one, and those are all of the adjustments I'll make for my install using the custom protection. Next is hit the install button. This will take a little while. As it says, installation is in progress. Do not turn off your computer. As it says, you're now protected. Get started. Read this, and if you agree, allow the collection of the anonymous data, or if you'd rather not share it, say no thanks. First scan is a quick scan. Green is a good sign. It means it hasn't found anything. At this point, it's scanning for browser threats, and green is always good. No browser threats were found. Next, no outdated apps or programs have been found. Next, checking for viruses and malware. Good news, no malware or viruses were found. Next, the advanced issues section. And this is actually checking for items that are only protected and can be adjusted if you're using a paid version. So yes, it's okay to run this, but unless you're willing to pay for the added items, you will not be able to correct anything that it may find. Advanced issues require paid products in order to add the additional protection. Since I'm running the free version, for me, this will not be resolved because it can't resolve it without making the additional purchases. So for me, it's skip it for now. And yes, skip it. The scan is now finished. Since this is a brand new installation, the recommendation, even though it doesn't say it here, is that before you go any further, many changes have taken place. I suggest that you do a system restart. That makes sure that everything is in place and that you are fully protected. Stay safe, be free. I hope this helps.